And we have an interesting slide out caravan, and we are looking at it right now how it folds open, and when you drive it's just 2 meters wide, as they say it. And you have actually 12 meters of living space, 12 square meters of living space inside when it opens, and it's sliding out already a lot. So it's actually opening almost at about 5 meters, or actually almost. And it's slided out, and now it's done like that. So it looks, when entering inside, looks like that. Pretty wide dining area with an island kitchen inside. So sink in the middle, induction, and actually just like a big kitchen from that side. And when we're looking on this side, this is the actual bed. Amazing. And then this should be the shower. And whoa, this looks pretty nice. And you can open this door like that. Then probably when you go inside, this should be able to open, and it unfolds in actual sink, cassette toilet, and shower unit right up there. So yeah, you can take a shower and check the tech behind it. This is pretty wild, never seen something like that. That you have a kitchen like that with a big fridge down and island on a caravan. Pretty amazing. And this is the system that keeps you going. One moment. Here, and this is actually perfectly fine, and you can fold up this. Oh, amazing. And then checking up the price list: 29, 33 and 41 for the complete set of specs. Well, not bad. Starting price 29. And you have an additional
We have a camper on board.
space all the way down, so it's a pretty big caravan. What an amazing idea. All the space right up there. And looking around, that's wild, extremely wild looking thing, and large.